How to fix Discord not downloading or installing on Windows. 1. Run the Discord setup.exe in compatibility mode. 2. Uninstall previous versions using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 3. Run update.exe application at % of data%. 4. Windows, clear Discord caches at %app data% and %local app data%. Restart your PC. 4.2 Mac, run. Activity monitor and quit all Discord processes like Discord helper. Delete the Discord folder at /library/application support. 5. Check your internet connection. 5.1. Windows, run Internet Connections Troubleshooter. 5.2. On Mac, add another DNS server IP. Renew your Mac's IP address. 6. Clear all Discord data on your computer.